Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by opening Postman and confirming you're in the correct workspace. Once there, grab the API key from your provider or secure vault so you have it ready. Make sure to decide how you want to send the key, as a header, a query parameter, or stored in an environment variable. This choice matters for security and reuse. Now, create or select an environment if you plan to reuse the key, and keep the value visible only to you while you proceed. You now add the key to a request. Select the Request tab and open headers or params depending on your earlier choice. If using headers, add authorization or XAPI key as the key name and paste the token as the value. If query parameters, add the provider's key name and its value. Alternatively, create an environment variable under Manage Environments for reuse. Name it clearly, paste the value, and save. Once saved, reference it as your variable in requests to avoid exposing raw tokens. Finish by sending the request and inspecting the status code and response body to confirm authentication succeeded. If you see errors, make sure you selected the correct environment and that the header or query parameter name matches the API spec. Token format often requires a prefix like bearer. Once done, rotate or store the key securely and remove it from shared collections. If issues persist, regenerate the key, confirm provider access controls, and retry. This fixes most 401 or 400.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.